Hi, I am Kiki, the animal observer.
I'm the little duck Quacky.
Quacky, let's learn about our new friends. Little animals.
Huh? Where are our new friends?
Little animals are really tiny. Let's check them out with a magnifying glass.
Wow!
Drag the magnifying glass to find little animals. Earthworm, spider, mantis, snail, butterfly, bee.
Quack, 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 quack. We found so many tiny animal friends.
Let's learn about them. This is a mantis. A mantis is an insect. This is a bee. A bee is also an insect. This is an earthworm.
Are earthworms also insects?
That's not correct. An earthworm is not an insect.
Oh, why are some tiny animals insects and some not?
Kids, do you know what an insect is? Let's check it out. Let's count. Let's count how many antennae they have on their heads. 1, 2. 1, 2. They both have 2 antennae on their heads. Let's count how many parts their bodies are divided into. 1, 2. 3. 1, 2. 3. Their bodies are divided into head, thorax, abdomen. 3 parts. Let's count how many legs they have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They both have 6 legs. Summary. An insect has 2 antennae on its head. An insect's body is divided into 3 parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. An insect normally has 6 legs.
An insect has 2 antennae and 6 legs, with its body divided into 3 parts of head, thorax, and abdomen. I get it!
Kids, have you got it? Quiz time! Which of the following is an insect? A. Ant. B. Snail. C. Spider.
That's right! You are right!
As a snail doesn't have 6 legs, it's not an insect. A spider has 8 legs and no antenna. It's not an insect either. An ant has 2 antennae, 6 legs. Its body is divided into 3 parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. An ant is an insect.
Some tiny animals are insects, and some are not. It's so amazing!
There are more fun facts about them.
Aw?
Do you know what's in the shell of a snail?
Oh!
What is special about butterfly wings? How does a bee build a beehive? Quacky, do you want to know?
Yes! These little animals are full of secrets!
Kids, let's discover the secrets of these little animals.
Let's go!